Hey everybody, a quick 2-second video that never takes 2 seconds, but I just want to answer a couple of questions in regards to this front hub replacement that pop up every now and then. First one is, most people know we do supply the front hub assembly for the Prados, and it's cheaper than if you went into a Toyota dealership and brought the components that I use. It'll cost you more. So it's cheaper from me. It's already assembled. It's got my little extras. The seal is installed professionally with a special custom made tool we've got. And the rear seal, this one here, yep, no need to say, and I need the seal. It's automatically included with the kit, because if you're going to change your bearings, quite often the damage on this seal from wear and from dirt and dust and stuff getting in the back, it wears that rubber. And then see the spring underneath there? I'm not going to mess with it. Underneath there's a spring that pulls the tension on the seal around the shaft. And once it wears through that rubber, it sort of it leaks, right? And that's why one of the reasons you'll be changing them. So once again, just to recap, we've got a whole playlist on this on our YouTube channel. It's probably called Hubs, Front Hubs, Bearings, whatever the case may be. You got the old one, so he's listening. Look, there's the spring. What happens, right? It wears through that rubber from that spring tension on the rubber over time, and the dirt and grit gets underneath, in between, a bit like sandpaper. It's not the only reason they fail. Recommend if you travel more than 100 k's from home, replace them every about 200,000 k's thereabouts. If you're even approaching there and the vehicle's old, maybe you want to carry someone else's old spare. Plenty of people have got those. Just check out Oz Prado Crew if you're in Australia and say, hey, has anyone got an old spare that I can have? Let's say, for example, you can't afford the new ones and you want to travel more than 100 k's from home, because they can collapse really quickly. I recommend you go and check out that information in that playlist. And if you want these hubs, some old videos said to do it other days than Monday. It doesn't really matter. I'll give you the quick rundown. Monday morning, 7:30 a.m. if you're in Australia. Text message and you'll get these express posted to you anywhere in Australia. Sorry, only in Australia. For your Prado, we've got heaps in stock. Hilux, we've got a few. We don't care if you buy them or not. Here to help with the best solution if you want to. Bada bing, bada boom. Well, it's a bit quicker than the usual video, so there it is. Thanks for watching. Text message Monday mornings, 7:30 a.m. Text, not iMessage, just to make sure it works, because it could go to another phone, because it's all very confusing with that technology. 0490-261-013. It doesn't ring. It's not a tech hotline. Important information. Someone, again, still texting me this morning, oh, I need some advice. It's not an advice line, okay? All the info I've got for you is in the videos. There's one of me, hundreds of thousands, millions of you. I've shared it in the videos. You've got to listen. If you don't listen, you lose. And if you really want to ask, you go to the Facebook groups we've set up, which you'll also find from watching the videos. And you can ask all the questions you like in a community of people that are like-minded and done similar things, especially the VIP group. You want to get in there. That's for clients only. Like I said, it doesn't ring, text only. Monday morning, 7:30 a.m. ideally. Otherwise, any other day of the week. In the mornings preferred, between about 8 and 11. Afternoons, we don't like it, and weekends we're closed. Thanks for listening. Catch you on the next one. See ya.